Once upon a time in the kingdom of Evergreenia, a land so smugly green its trees practically hummed with self-satisfaction, the Council of Very Wise Elders hatched a plan to save the planet. "Behold," they cried, "the emissions trading scheme. Let us sell. The rich shall buy them, the poor shall sell them, and we'll all call it progress." The people rejoiced. "We're geniuses," they chanted. "Trading pollution permits like monopoly money." But soon, factories began vanishing. "Where did they go?" asked the elders, peering over their great green wall. Turns out the factories had fled to Smogtopia and Kolberg, two sooty kingdoms where smoke was currency and rivers oozed regret. There they polluted freely, churning out cheap goods to sell back to pristine Evergreenia. "Disaster!" wailed the elders. "Our ETS is good, but the planet is doomed." So they devised a new scheme, the Clean Border Adjustment Mechanism. "We'll tax every dirty import," they decreed. Smogtopia's gadgets? Taxed? Kolberg's coal blankets? Taxed? Their pollution is a problem, but also money. The people of Evergreenia clapped. Meanwhile, Smogtopians and Kolbergers stared at their smokestacks, then at Evergreenia's towering green wall. "Hold on," they muttered. "You offshored your pollution here, profit from our misery, and now tax us for it? How?" And so, Evergreenia grew greener and richer, CBAM taxes piled up like moral high ground, and the elders awarded themselves medals for global leadership. Smogtopia and Kolberg, however, kept polluting, because what choice did they have? Their factories wouldn't afford Evergreenia's permits, and their goods wouldn't escape the CBAM taxes. Over time, they turned away from Evergreenia, spellbound by new possibilities, and flourished in lands unknown. Moral of the story: you can't save the world by outsourcing your guilt and then charging others rent for it.